Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your cloud code to the next level. Today's tip is keep your functions doing only one task. Many times when I review code of users, I see this big function that does it all. This is a very complex code that will take a lot of effort of other developers to understand when they have to maintain it. When you keep your function simple with just one task per function, you can call it as many times as you need, and it's much easier to read and to maintain if they have to fix it. So always be sure that a function is doing just one task. Another cool rule of thumb that you can use is if your function does not fit the size of your screen, if you have to scroll it in order to read it, it's probably way too big. So you should probably break it into 2 or 3 other functions because it's probably doing more than it should. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.